This one again and again. You can see. You can put also this one, the salt. We'll put sakana inside, fish inside. Very easy mga guys. This is my lunch for tomorrow. I don't have a lettuce, so I will put fish. This is a fish. You can put chicken also inside, or vegetable. I make it small. Yan guys, this is my onigiri. The rice of the Japanese is a little bit, it's sticky, that's why easy to make a round like this. You can put chicken, or what do you want, fish or what, or you can put also vegetables inside. Very easy guys. This is only for my lunch, because I don't have, if you don't have time, you can make this also to your kids, children.